Hey everybody, welcome back to Coupe to Grill. Today we're going to make some rice on the smoker. We're going to make some Spanish rice. Check it out. First thing you need is an aluminum pan. You can do this in a glass one if you're going to do it in the oven, but we like these for the smoker. 9 by 13. I'm going to spray it down with some Pam. You need some jasmine rice. So we're going to do 1 cup of jasmine rice. And then the recipe says 2 cups of water. We're only going to add 1 cup of water because we're going to add a 10-ounce can of enchilada sauce. This is going to be really good. And a little bit more is fine because it's thicker. And we're going to add in the juice from fire-roasted Rotel diced tomatoes.
You're adding all the tomatoes too, right?
All the tomatoes. Oh yeah, all of it. And last, but not least, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. All right, we're going to start with 1 cup rinsed rice. We're going to add our enchilada sauce. We're going to add our Rotel tomatoes, sauce and all. 2 tablespoons of oil. Ha! I almost forgot 1 cup of water.
That would be very bad.
Right?
We'd have crunchy rice.
Yeah. We're going to stir that all up. And the last thing you're going to do is you're going to cover that with some aluminum foil. Nice and tight. We got this set at 350 degrees. We're throwing this in for an hour. We'll fluff it and check it and see where we're at. Alright guys, check this out. It's been almost an hour. I've been smelling this, cooking next to me. And I just can't wait anymore.
Ooh.
55 minutes. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, it's perfect.
Right? Look at that. Oh my. Oh, the smells amazing. Non-traditional Spanish rice. I tell you what, but oh my. Were those hot Rotel tomatoes or fire roasted? Or just fire roasted? That's got some kick.
Oh.
Oh. No, that's really good. You're going to love this. Well, there you have it. Non-traditional Spanish rice on the smoker here at Coupe de Grill. Thanks for coming with us today. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. It helps grow our channel. And if you want to see more stuff like this with us in it, check them out. Just put some over here. We're going to have this.